Mama, give me so you not break it.
Let me want to feed Abbas. Abbas!
Guys, come and join us.
Abbas!
We are taking our breakfast.
Come and sit here. Let me feed you.
Who wants to take pineapple juice?
We know
Pineapple juice.
go bring pineapple juice for
Now what? Now I'm not gonna tell me, Mama, it's okay. This thing is making you fat.
Mama!
Abbas, come and sit here.
Come and sit here. Come and sit here. Let me go feed you today. Mommy and you. Mama, sit down near me now. Down inside.
Who they do like that?
My mama will be feeding you, yeah? That's it, one by one.
Oh yeah, open it. It's not only me that will open. Yeah, the rest now.
Now you go open Abbas. Abbas, where you go? Give me Abbas, sir. So then let me go feed Abbas.
You want to feed married man?
Now, now. So that I can go here. You know they give me it. They help her.
Mama is fishing herself.
Abbas, wait to see you come. Mama, not show our food though. This person only me. Mama, see people, Mama. Mama, you don't do. Mama,
You mix Mama's one with this one.
okay, mix it with this one.
Go through the lick mat.
They pray open your eye, yo. Why are you laughing?
Last we pray. Now I'm feeding my mama. Mama, you see your own.
Oh yeah.
Where mama own?
Mama own is this one. I'll put it in my own.
Where Abbas own?
Well, listen, Mama, they like to put their she's first born.
Where the baby own?
Yes, I'm going to do of you. Abbas.
Oh yeah.
Who get that one?
Take this one. Isaac, this is your own. Go sweet.
What of Abbas?
Abbas is safe.
Now mama own now once, not the same.
Mama, oh,
Abbas,
baby,
take this
Mama.
one. Then me and Mama.
Now you and mama be done.
Mm.
My baby, oh, boom, boom.
Over here.
What are you eating?
Yeah, bring pineapple juice. Then put small.
Mama, sit down near me, oh, now you want feed.
Mama, let me feed you. Take.
Don't snap.
Mama, don't want me to feed them.
Okay.
Mama, come. Come and give it to me. Bring it, let me throw it away.
Mama, eat now.
I let it to me, and mama they feed.
Eat with Abbas, so that is eating to everybody one.
Abbas not him now.
I tell my boy that.
Huh? You not pray?
Yaro. I tell my boy that. Yaro.
No, do the for them first.
Eh? Not do that, you're doing you.
Happy birthday to you. Whoa. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Mama. Oh, yeah. Good. Happy birthday to you. Pa. You are singing for them to eat.
They chop. You do that. They do that.
Mama, come. Go to bed again. Happy birthday to you. Come, show my baby. Baby. How old are you now? Mama, you come and take tea. Break.
This is sweet, oh. Guys, we are eating coconut pancake. It's very delicious.
Is that nice?
It's sweet, Abba.
I said the coconut pancake is very sweet.
Very sweet. How?
People should do plantain pancake now.
No,
Banana pancake.
we are going to do pineapple pancake. With that pineapple juice that is in the fridge.
Yes, use the juice to use pancake.
See the way Mama swallow it.
This is sweet.
About something, but I'll tell you on video. We remember video film. About don't want to enter video.
Me dey come here and video him.
No,
To
yeah.
capture him face.
Pause it.
It's not on my phone. I don't have it too. Jesus. But this one they took out for you. When we capture that photo. Why is this one laughing?
Take now. You don't want. From Kaju Shakara. Shakara.
Take.
It's not hot.
She's tasting.
Take.
All of them they show.
Take pancake.
Take this one.
She don't want. She don't want that thing. Yes.
Yes, baby.
Yes,
Yes, mommy. Yes, sweetie.
Mother.
Yes, mommy. Yes.
What's with take? Mm. My love.
Go.
My sugar.
What's happened?
What of daddy?
This one is guarding. But cheese.
I see what you call. That's what you're coughing.
I say don't eat finish.
The camera was set down.
Chop, not mine now.
But I'm dead, yeah. Take.
Abbas no, if Abbas just capture.
About this thing you did for
Mama,
this
take
thing,
pancake. Pancake. Take. I don't want to collect. Yeah, I'm done, man. Come on, say it. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. These children are shy,
It's because of them Abbas enter our first time.
eh?
Abbas in this 9 girls. This girl can coffee.
Then she stop her.
Eh.
Stop it.